Welcome to Garden Bamboo Insights. In this video, I present a selection of bamboo crafts and bamboo musical instruments that I have carefully crafted from bamboo harvested directly from my garden. Bamboo is a remarkable natural material, strong, versatile, and sustainable, and it offers endless creative possibilities when shaped by hand. Throughout this presentation, I will guide you through the making of several handcrafted pieces, including a bamboo jaw harp, a bamboo star, a bamboo flute, and a bamboo panpipe. Its creation reflects the natural beauty of bamboo and the harmony between traditional craftsmanship and simple nature-inspired design. I hope these do-it-yourself bamboo crafts inspire you to appreciate bamboo not only as a plant, but as an artistic medium with both visual and musical expression. Please consider subscribing to the channel and feel free to share in the comments which bamboo craft or instrument is your favorite. Bamboo Johab. The bamboo johab is a traditional musical instrument known for its delicate yet expressive sound. Used for centuries in folk traditions, it is often played for personal enjoyment, storytelling, and cultural expression. Its musical charm lies in the fine, vibrating strip at the center of the instrument. To make a bamboo harp, a strong and mature bamboo internode is selected. It is cut into length of about 10 to 30 centimeters, and a narrow vibrating tongue is carefully carved from the same piece. A rope is tied to one end to help activate the vibration. To play the harp, it is placed gently between the lips. The player pulls or taps the rope to set the bamboo tongue vibrating, then moves the tongue inside the mouth to shape the sound. This simple interaction produces a unique rhythmic tone that highlights the natural beauty of bamboo and traditional music. Bamboo star. The bamboo star, also known as parol in the Philippines, is a graceful bamboo craft traditionally associated with celebration and hope. It is widely recognized as a cultural symbol, valued for its simplicity and elegance. To make a bamboo star, mature bamboo is split into fine strips and carefully shaped into a symmetric star pattern. The strips are aligned and securely tied to create a lightweight yet durable structure that highlights the natural beauty of bamboo. The link to a full video tutorial on how to make this bamboo star is available in the description of this video, so please check it out. Bamboo flute. I thoroughly enjoyed making this bamboo flute as the process is both simple and deeply satisfying. While the overall construction is straightforward, the true skill lies in shaping the mouthpiece. When done correctly, it produces a smooth, soothing tone that is calm and captivating. To make the flute, a suitable bamboo internode is selected, and both nodes are removed completely to clear a passage for the wind. A wooden fuel plug, also known as a duck block, is then carefully shaped and fitted inside the bamboo near the mouth end. This component directs the airflow towards the sound end, allowing the flute to produce its characteristic tone. Finger holes are cut along the body of the flute, ideally in even number, with an additional thumb hole placed underneath. Accurate finger placement is essential for proper tuning. If you have been following along, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Your support helps share these bamboo craft ideas with a wider audience. Thank you. The bamboo panpipe is my favorite instrument in this collection. It is simple to make, plays beautifully, and offers great satisfaction. I would rate it 5 stars for both ease of use and the playability. To create a panpipe, bamboo pieces of same diameter are selected and cut to different lengths to produce barred notes. The tops are cut open while the bottom notes are left intact to allow proper air vibration. Small differences in length create distinct tones, and when tuned to a major scale, the sound becomes harmonious. The pipes are then tied together. To play, gently blow across the top while moving the panpipe side to side, allowing the natural voice of bamboo to emerge. Thank you for watching. Hope you like these bamboo craft ideas. Let us know in the comment which one is your favorite. And do not forget to subscribe to Garden Bamboo Insight for more insight on bamboo plants and bamboo crafts.